Hello everybody, got to do my intro bit again. No audio on it when I've just gone to edit it, so I'm just doing it again here now. So this one is off Owen, a subscriber. He asked me to do French onion soup. Never had it before, never done it before. So let me show you what we're going to do. Right, I got myself 5 onions. It says 5 or 6, I've done 5. So it's there, isn't you? I say it is an onion soup. I've got 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. He just says sugar, but I presume he means brown because it caramelise the onions. Some butter. I've got unsalted butter. A bit of tomato puree. Bit of garlic puree. 4 chicken stock cubes. Some oyster sauce. Some black pepper. Some salt. Bit of oil. Jamie Oliver's special. And some white wine, 200ml of that. Now, like I say, I don't drink, I don't know nothing about wine. So I just got white wine, he just said white wine, so that's what I got. Whether it's anything, it was just the cheapest I got, that's all. So first thing I want to do is get all these fried up. Well, I've got my pan warming up. Just a little bit of olive oil at the bottom first. Right, that's warmed up a little bit now, that oil. I'm going to get all these onions in, all 5 onions. And we're just going to fry them up. Get them all soft, like 10 minutes, nice and slow. While them onions are doing, I'm going to put 200ml of wine. That's what it says, if I can open it. As I say, I don't know what wine's what, I ain't got a clue. But that's the stuff there, I think it was about £3, I think, cheap and cheerful. There it is, I don't know. Smells like wine. 200ml of this stuff. I don't know whether it's dry, wet or what, I don't know. I don't know what it's supposed to be. 200ml of that. And now I want 1 litre boiling water. I've just boiled the kettle. And your 4 chicken stock. And 4. Give that a stir, let it settle. The onions are doing. Them onions are nice and soft now. Now we've got to add the butter. So I'm just following the instructions, so I've never done it before. And we'll do that, let that melt for a few minutes. Quite looking forward to it actually. Right, now I'm adding the brown sugar, 2 teaspoons. Get the onions caramelised up. Quite simple this one, it's just time in it, that's all. Might need a little bit more brown sugar, we'll see. Onions are caramelised a bit. Now it's the 200ml of white wine. You scale the bottom of it, it says. Get rid of all the, well, get all the goodness in. And you want to burn the alcohol off. So we'll do that. Quite simple, I'm looking forward to this actually. And put a bit of salt and pepper into taste as well. I suppose I've done that with the onions, but I forgot. Put that in now. Get all that goodness off the sides there. There we go. I'll let that do its thing, boil that off. Right, one question. How do I know, because I don't cook with alcohol, how do I know when the alcohol's burnt off? Is it all supposed to be gone or what? I ain't got a clue. Or is it supposed to be like a sludge? Because I can still smell a bit of alcohol in there. I'm not sure. Let me know. I think that's got to be about it, innit? I'm not sure. I'll get another minute or 2. I don't know. It's all a learning curve for me. Right, I think that's it. All the wine's nearly gone anyway. I'm going to stick a drop of tomato puree in. Just to taste, he said, so. And some garlic puree. I suppose you could use chopped up garlic, couldn't you? You could do it with the onions at the start, couldn't you? Get out of the mix. Now 1 litre of chicken stock. Give it a stir. And suppose you bring it down to a simmer now, don't you, till you're ready to go, till you get rid of all the water, gets a bit thicker, I suppose. So put the lid on. While that's simmering away, instead of having crunchy bread with it, I'm having garlic bread. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to top it with cheese. Yes, so I'll get them in the air fryer, get them cooked, then we'll top them with cheese. That'll be delicious, won't it, that will? So I'll get the garlic bread open then. I don't know how many I'll get on this tray, on this shelf, but we'll have a look. I could have put the cheese on first and just done it all together, but now I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it this way, cook them first, get them all nice and crunchy. Hey, get 8 on there, there's 2 left. Right, in the air fryer. Right, garlics are done there. Didn't take long at all, a few minutes. Now I'm going to put some cheese on. Oh yes, I'm looking forward to this now. It's looking nice. A bit more on that one. And a bit more on that one. Right, I'll stick that back in the air fryer when the soup's nearly done. Right, the garlic bread's back in. Now I've looked online about the French onion soup because I didn't know whether it's supposed to be thick or thin. And it does say it's supposed to be quite thin, but a lot of people like it thicker. So I'm going to put a little bit of corn flour in there because I like thicker soup. There we go. So I've never done it before, so I'm not sure. I suppose it's to each preference, isn't it, I suppose. But it smells lovely. We'll stick a bit of Worcester sauce in now towards the end. And it says basil, and I've just been in the cupboard to get the basil. I ain't got none. So I ain't having no basil, I think that's just for garnish anyway. Garlic bread's done, let me get that out. Looking delicious. Oh, there's the garlic bread, look. Oh yes. What do you think of that cheesy garlic bread? Look at that. Oh yes. Right guys, I think we're done. That's the consistency I'm going to have it anyway. Not too thick and not too thin. Have a look. There it is, you can see where it's steaming up a bit. So we're going to get it in a couple of bowls anyway. Looks nice. So simple to make, if I've done it right, that is. Bring that bowl over here because I can't. I'm going to get it everywhere because that's the sort of person I am. Oh yes, a little bit more in this one. There we go. What do we think? Did I do it right or did I do it wrong? Oh yes. Let me know, Owen, mate. Did I do it right? Does it look nice? Never done it before, so it's on there for a thumbnail. Right, taste test time. Right, up the table. Let me show you. It looks delicious. It really does. There we go. Cheesy garlic bread. And the onion, French onion soup. Doesn't it look nice? I think so anyway. Right, tuck in, Bab. Grab yourself some.
Thank you.
And then they're both exactly the same. Okay. I don't really taste, I haven't even tasted it or anything because I want to do it first time. No, nor me.
It smells nice.
Yeah, it smells nice. I can smell a bit of beer though, so I don't know whether, a bit of alcohol, so I don't know whether I didn't burn it enough or not. I don't know. I've never done it before.
It's a bit. I can't smell it that bad.
Let's have a crack anyway. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's nice.
Ooh. Oh, that's gorgeous. Ain't that nice?
That's really nice, that is.
Owen, you made a really good choice there, mate.
You do.
That was really, really nice. Cheesy garlic bread on made. I didn't mean obviously the garlic bread, I put the cheese on, that's all.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's been a while with it.
Yeah, it does actually.
Oh God, yes. I'm well looking forward to this, eating this.
That's nice. I've never had it before.
No, nor me. I didn't know whether I was cooking it right as well. Oh yes.
Thank you.
That is really nice, isn't it? 100% make that again.
Who
100%.
suggested this?
Owen.
Owen.
I said I'll do it for him.
Good choice, Owen.
Really good choice. Yes. 100%. Nice bit of cheese there, look. You didn't mention the garlic bread, I just thought I'd put that on there.
It's nice actually.
Instead of having crunchy bread. You know what I mean? Put something a bit different on there. Oh God.
Very nice. Thank you.
And it's so simple. It's really simple to make. You put it in and just basically let it do its thing. Yes, yes, yes. Stringy cheese. Do you want a fork for your...
No, thank
It's
you.
hot, isn't it, that bread?
It's hot. There's tomatoes in it.
Just a bit of tomato puree. I got that seasoning just right as well, and I haven't even tasted it when I've cooked it. He's got that absolutely perfect with his seasoning. Well done, Owen. Oh, I could eat this all day. In this weather as well, couldn't you? There's loads more in the pot as well. Get another couple of bowls out of that. Oh, that's really nice. Top though, isn't it?
I don't know on camera. My camera.
Yeah, and that's not coming on. She's in a nightwear. Just having a chill day in your bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot. That's nice, that is.
Oh, wow. Absolutely. Let me show you again. There you go, look. Probably a bit close. There you go. And the garlic bread. And the board one man and his wood made meat. Links in the description if you like woodwork. Garlic looks lovely, doesn't it? Look at that. Cheesy garlic. More garlic bread. It's gorgeous, isn't it?
It's nice.
I'm really enjoying this. I really am. Right, I'm going to go and eat it all. I'll give my final thoughts at the end. But you know, I mean, I already said it, and I've early, but... Right, I've ate all that. Absolutely delicious, honestly. Really, really nice. I can taste a bit of the wine in there. But I don't know whether that's me, because we don't drink, whether we can taste a bit. Or I hadn't burned it off enough, but I'd never used it before. But it didn't affect the food at all. Matter of fact, it probably made it taste better. So it was absolutely superb. The garlic bread was lush. Nothing more I can say. It's perfect, isn't it? I think it's perfect.
Yep.
It's really, really nice. The onions were lovely. The seasoning was absolutely bang on. That's it, Owen. Superb, mate. Thank you very much. Honest to God, bang on. Really enjoyed that. Cold day like this. So as I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. The dog's there. Oh yeah, why you want to see the dog? Didn't you? Let me show you the dog, mate. There she is, look. Roxanne. Roxy. There you go. Good girl, ain't you? Good girl. Hey, have your dinner in a minute. As I say, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye-bye.